Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepthi from Dip Scroll Bag. In today's lecture, we are going to continue the reading of Geography Chapter 13, Life in Temperate Grassland, the Peris and the Whales. In previous lectures, we have read about the Peris and its location, climate, vegetation, natural vegetation, and working of the people. How so and location of Wales and climate and natural vegetation found in the Wales. So in today's lecture we are going to read about the people in the Wales, the work they do in the Wales, and what is the main occupation of the people living in the Wales. So main occupation of people in the Wales region is mining, farming and cattle rearing. Farming is not very important due to low rainfall, poor soil, and associational droughts. In humid areas, maize is the main crop. The other crops are wheat, berry, oats, and potatoes. Some cash crops such as sugarcane, cotton, and tobacco are also grown. So, as we have read about the Peris, Peris are much is known as the granary of the food crops in of the world, as well, because its soil is very fertile and rainwater is available. But Wales, it's completely different. Here the soil is not fertile, rainfall is very less, and now and then droughts occur here. So due to that, low um, uh, farming is not the main occupation people living in this area. Ship rearing is the main occupation in the have high Wales. The Monero ships gives the best quality of wool. Ship rearing has helped in the development of wool industry in the Wales region. Angora goats provide mohair. South Africa is an important producer and exporter of wool in the world. Cattle rearing is done mostly in the warmer and the wetter region of Wales. Cattle are reared for dairy products such as milk, butter, and cheese, yet they meet the domestic needs and there is always surplus for export. Cattle also provide meat and leather. Beef is mainly export to Europe. Region is very rich in minerals such as coal, iron, gold, diamond, uranium. Thus, mining is an important occupation in this region. Johannesburg is known for for gold, while Kimberley is famous for diamonds. Many industries like iron and steel, metal products, machinery, railways, equipments, etc., have been established. The agro-based industry included woolen textile, food processing, dairy, and leather goods. Actually, South Africa became a colony of British Empire due to the availability of gold and diamonds. This region has efficient and well-developed system of transport. There are excellent network of roads and railways. All major towns are connected with air services. The Dutch were the first European to reach and settle in the Wales. The grasslands were entirely settled by Hottentots and African tribes. These primitive people were primarily hunter and gatherer. Now a small number have survived and mostly practice nomadic herding. So we have read about the main occupation of the people living in the Wales. So farming is not their main occupation. other is that cattle rearing is there. Cattle rearing is, yes, they grow, the cattle rearing is good for, from cattle rearing they earn a lot of money, as the products which we get from the cattle rearing, it is surplus and they export it into the other parts of the world. Whereas South Africa Veld region is a storehouse of mineral, because as here many types of minerals like coal, iron, gold, diamond, uranium, etc. is found here. Africa become the Europe's, especially British Empire's colony, due to the due to mines of gold and diamond found here. This was the main reason that British come to Africa, and they made their colony in Africa, as they have made the colony in India, as India was a colony of British Empire, same way. But the main cause was the gold and diamond mines which were found in the Africa, in Wales. Afterward, Duchess was the first person who Europeans who reached the Wales and settled here. But the natives of Wales are Hottentons, and African primitives are these. They are generally they are hunter gatherers. Often in So that's it for the today. In tomorrow lecture, we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.